Hello friends, welcome back to the iShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone 13/14 won't turn on issue. Way 1. Force restart iPhone 13/14. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Way to fix iPhone 13/14 not turn on issue with iShare iOS Repair Genius. iShare iOS Repair Genius is the powerful iOS system repair software, which can solve almost all iOS system issues in clicks. You can download iShare iOS Repair Genius from iShare.com. Open the software and click System Repair. Then select the Standard Mode option. OK, hit the Start button. Now connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put the iPhone into recovery mode. Hit the next button to load device info. Your iPhone model is detected here. Click the Download button to download a firmware package. Well, now you can hit the repair button. Finally, the iPhone issue is repaired successfully. Your iPhone will reboot at the same time. See, it turns on normally. Way 3. Fix iPhone 13/14 won't turn on with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Then put your iPhone into recovery mode. Open iTunes on the computer. When your iPhone is detected, click the Restore button on the prompt. Now click Restore and Update. OK, now just wait for the iTunes restoring your iPhone to factory settings. That's all for the video.